Let's
fire
do this.
pan, fire pan. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god.
Smoking?
Oh. What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. Tonight I'm here in Bangalore, Karnataka, India with my good friend Sheikh Silla on Instagram, a foodie blogger, and we're here at VV Puram.
Yes.
And what is VV Puram?
VV Puram is known for its food street over here. And yeah, there's no proper abbreviation for it, but yeah,
Okay,
it's
so
VV Puram.
Food Street.
Food street.
And what are we gonna see here?
We're gonna check out a lot of corn, and then we're gonna try some potato twisters and gobi Manchurian rolls, and a lot more.
And you said floating Pani Puri?
Floating Pani Puri. Yes.
Floating Pani
Whoa.
Puri. I can't wait, I love Pani Puri. Let's jump into it.
So Tate Idli is very popular in Karnataka simply because as you translate it means plate, and the size, that's what explains it. And then of course it comes accompanied with the coconut chutney and the tomato chutney, which are a delicacy out here in the south.
So right here we have a Tate Idli. It's a huge idli. I mean, it's bigger than, well no, it's not as big as a palm, okay?
Almost.
Almost. I mean, it's at least double or almost triple the size of regular idlis.
Yeah.
Right here we have tomato chutney, we have coconut chutney. Obviously we're in Karnataka. Lots of coconut here, the south. Oh, how do we do this? Just break off?
Break off, yeah.
Okay.
Go for it.
Like a little sponge, I love it.
It's a little hot.
So right there, oh.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
Chutney is a little spicy. Idli is soft as ever. Lovely stuff. Now for the tomato.
Yeah, I mean, it is a little spicy. Super soft.
Yeah.
I just love this coconut chutney. Should I put it in the other one as well?
Yeah.
Mix it. Oh wow.
The combo is pretty great.
The combo's good, but damn, it got spicy.
That's what.
I mean, it's fine. We're in the south of India. Spice is what it's about, right?
Exactly. The idli kind of balances it out. Really bland and soft, so it works.
Yeah, I mean, you go like alone, right?
Yeah.
Nice little
Not so
dough.
spicy after all, right?
No, like, that's easy. Okay, so as you can see, there's probably like, I don't know, a few thousand people here.
Yes.
And the crazy thing is that there's actually cars driving through the crowds. Look at this. Oh my God. What is this guy doing right here? Is he crazy? He's gonna kill somebody. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, there's so many different vendors. I mean, it's non-stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, this one's huge. How many people are right here? Look at that. Wow. Man, I am hungry.
Yeah.
Like that.
Gobi Manchurian right now.
What are we gonna eat next?
So we have chaats. Now we have the gobi Manchurian here, so we can.
And yeah,
even
everyone is
the
loving the street food.
potato twisters are right there.
What is this?
Smoked wafers. Smoked wafers.
Smoked wafers. It's like nitrogen, right? Basically.
We're gonna try this next.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Wow.
So up next we have the floating Pani Puri, another special from the VV Puram Food Street. Let's dig in.
I've never had floating Pani Puri. So what do we have? I mean, it's obviously it's the puri right there. It's like soaked in this moist, like soupy thing.
Yeah.
It's got onions,
Some potato inside, we got some chickpea. We got a thing called bundi.
bundi.
Yeah.
Cheers.
How is that?
Oh. It's like a delicious puri with a soup.
Not basically the pani they give you, which is in excess. That's why the puri floats. It's a jaljeera water basically.
Jaljeera water.
Jaljeera water.
And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like stack everything into this puri right now.
Yeah.
Fill it up. Like keep filling it up right there.
Take it in.
Wow. Cheers to it.
Cheers again.
There's nothing like it. The only bad part here is that one of us is gonna get a little more than the other. This is one of my favorite pani puris of all time. I've tried a few different ones so far in my life, but this is the best.
Nice. Nice. That's all yours then.
Yum. Oh, he's going for the sauce.
Oh yeah.
All right, next up I'm trying the pani, which is essentially a chili shot. It's what they use for the Pani Puri. Whoa. Whoa, that's intense. When you have it with the Puri, it doesn't feel that strong, but just on its own, oh my. Wow, that'll clear out your nasal cavities for sure.
Woo! So after that floating Pani Puri that was a little spicy, we're here at this shop and we're getting sugarcane juice, but mine is infused with ginger. Ginger with sugarcane. Oh wow. Wow, bro. This is so good. Refreshing. It's actually calming down the heat. I'm surprised because I thought with ginger it would be a little hot, but it's not. Oh, this is so good. It's so good. Cheers.
Cheers, I got the same one, the ginger. Oh my gosh, that's the best sugarcane juice I've ever had.
Everything is the best.
No, but this really
I know.
is.
It really is.
Maybe I just needed something that refreshing.
No, because it has the ginger inside.
After the Pani Puri, the floating Pani Puri, I had lost my voice. So maybe this is gonna help me get it back.
Too much spice.
Too much spice.
Take it up.
Thank you. Pleasure. Hey, thank you so much. Thanks for saying hi. Thank you. Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Thanks. Bye. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so we're about to try fire pan. I did it back when I was in Delhi. I did it twice. It's pretty insane. It's pan with some stuff inside like mints and some like seeds and stuff, and they light it on fire and shove it in your mouth. Okay, are you ready, Sam?
I'm a little scared, but I'll try it.
No, don't be scared. I'm ready. I'm ready. Fire pan. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god.
Smoking?
Very cold inside. That's a mint in here. Very crunchy. They put like, I think there's some like dry fruit in there as well. Then you have a smoky taste. It hits you really hard. The cool thing about pan, very hard to chew it. The cool thing about pan is it gives you energy. I feel great now.
Wow.
Yeah, scan a bit.
A bit of everything?
A bit of everything.
A bit of everything?
Ready?
Oh yeah, we're ready for it. Pop it, pop it. Oh.
Like it really is such a burst of like crazy flavors in there. This is fried cauliflower. She puts like some delicious red sauce on it. I feel bad. This is your dish. This is your dish.
Sorry, I'm eating your food.
That is so rich. That sauce is so good. It's not spicy. It's like a tomato sauce. And the amazing thing here is that we don't know them and they just offer to let us eat their food. This is so friendly. Thank you so much. I'm gonna buy you another one.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
No. So here we have the potato twisters. What is this, man? How do they even cut this like this? I guess it's a machine. So a spiral machine.
Yes.
Wow.
That thing is big.
It looks spicy though.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
And pull it up.
Oh, wow. Super crunchy. I love how thin it is. Look at that. But extremely crunchy. Great taste. It's a great snack. I love it. I'm gonna have a few more bites. Pretty hard to take it apart though. Oh yeah? Yeah, everybody else is doing it your way.
Easier.
I'm the dumb corner. Alright, 70 each, so $1 US.
$1. Nice.
Definitely worth it.
It has a sort of peri flavor to it. That's what's giving it the tangy flavor.
Yeah.
Tanginess to it, but it's really nice.
I mean, if you have the whole thing, it gets hot.
Yeah.
I feel it right now.
I'm feeling it too. It got spicy.
Yeah. We have to, man. What are you guys doing there? Whoa. Hey. Whoa.
Oh, nice.
What did you get?
Oh. This is a nitrogen wafer?
Yeah.
Oh.
Eat it with your teeth.
Oh, nice, dude.
Use your teeth.
Put in front and with your teeth.
Yeah, you smash through your teeth. Start breaking it. Start biting it, Bite it. No, don't spit it.
It's called mixed flavor cheese and wafer smoked dragon breath ice cream.
Wow.
So it's basically nitrogen though.
Nitrogen, yes.
Oh, nice. Oh. Oh, you're getting better at
The
it.
dragon.
The dragon came out that
The
time.
trick is to go for the wafer.
Go for the wafer, okay.
So here we have the dragon breath. Basically,
Dragon Breath Challenge. Oh, that's good stuff. What do you think? What do you think? Oh. he had the bigger one, but you went longer.
nice. It's cheesy, right? This one,
Yeah.
cheese.
Go for it, guys.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, no cold.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at this.
this guy's wife is killing it.
You're the best at it. Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Alright, so we're here having roasted chili corn, and we're gonna check this out for the first time as well.
Roasted chili corn. Basically, it's corn on the cob. They roast it, then they fill it up with chilies. What?
And they put some lime juice as well.
Whoa, lime juice. This is so unique. I mean, the things you find in India are like bizarre and amazing.
Amazing and tasty.
And tasty. Always tasty. Chili corn, huh?
Chili corn, yeah.
Doesn't look like there's any chilies in here.
It's not as spicy as I thought, but
Yeah.
I like the lemon mixed inside.
Exactly. I mean, it's not so spicy. There's like a little kick,
Yeah.
like tiny kick.
Something that you can manage, yeah.
No, but I like it because there's some butter in here, right? Some
Yeah,
ghee.
yeah.
I love corn, so I'll eat it. Now it's
Keep
coming.
going, now it's coming.
Now it's
Exactly,
coming.
Yeah.
That's coming.
Slow and steady.
Slow and steady spice.
Sam, try it.
It's juicier than I thought it would be. I thought it would be more roasted.
It's gonna sneak up on you right now.
Oh man. Oh. Nasal clearing, man. Yeah.
Oh, it's hot.
Takes 2 bites before you get the spice.
Here we have some sweet roti, and it looks like there's a bunch of ghee on top.
What is it called?
Holige.
Holige.
Holy
We also call it obbattu.
Oh, battu. Just
It's a
open
little
it.
hot, it's a little hot, yeah.
Oh my god, it's boiling.
Boiling.
Piping.
Like
Yeah, it is
piping.
Piping hot.
But why so hot?
What do you think?
Oh my god.
Is it good?
Nice way to end.
A nice sweet ending?
Hot, sweet ending.
Oh, it's amazing. Super sweet. It's very like doughy inside. There's like a sweet, like almost like a honey flavor to it.
Yeah, jaggery.
Jaggedy. Oh, I'm in love with it. But I think I'm done because I'm really full.
That's dessert.
I know it's dessert. It's too much, my friend. All right. So my tour here with Sheikh Zilla on VV Puram
Food Street.
Yes, got it right. First time. Awesome.
Yeah. Brilliant.
We had so many delicious things. My favorite, I mean, the craziest thing here is the fire pan, I think.
Yeah.
But the most delicious thing is this right here.
Right, yeah.
It's super sweet. What else did I like?
The floating Pani Puri.
The floating Pani Puri, yeah, because I really love the Pani. The Pani, the chili, watery deliciousness.
Chili shot, yeah. That's good.
All right, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below. Subscribe to my channel, Sam and Audrey's channel. Follow this guy right here, Sheikh Zilla.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we'll see
Yeah.
you on the next food and travel adventure in incredible India.
Takka